out. Your 2021 Forthcoming King and Queen are going to be crowned at halftime tonight at the game. See you guys there.
Do you think we're gonna win?
I think we had a very great shot. I honestly I didn't it was like a 33% shot. I think of us winning and we came out on top.
I did not think we were gonna win. I didn't think we were gonna make it to nominee.
Doubter. Unbelievable.
Did it help you play better in the game?
So in the second half when I came out, with a dub, I knew on the field we were gonna come out and take 2 dubs that night. So here we are, 2 dubs.